Hi guys, you're welcome back to the Crypto Nate channel today, and I'm going to be talking about how you can raise money for your crypto ideas. Okay, I found a platform that is quite useful. It is called firstcheck.africa. Okay, so but before I go into analyzing how this platform works, I want you guys to do something for me. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to say salute. Thanks so much for being a part of this community. Okay, if you're just watching this video for the first time, probably you found it on the Google search engine or on YouTube search engine. Okay, I welcome you to this channel and I want you to subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget also to turn on the notification bell rather. So this platform is called firstcheck.africa. Okay, they are angel investors. They have angel investments program, and they mainly invest in the seed and pre-seed phase of the project. Okay, they invest mainly in the seed and pre-seed phase of the project. In my opinion, that is quite a risky thing to do because a project that is still at the seeding stage or the preceding stage, um, it is highly risky and the probability that they're going to fail is very, very high. I'm talking from experience. Okay, so but these guys are interested in that early stage venture capital fund. Okay, and they have a couple of partners. Okay, like if they invest into your project and they like it, then they can actually onboard some other venture capitalists and they can work together. Okay, so this is the founder. Eloho Omame is the name of the founder. Okay, you can check out these guys. But this is how to get funds from this project, from this venture capitalist. Okay, if you are an African, okay, it must be an African project, and they are agnostic as long as it's about tech. Okay, it could be blockchain tech, it could be cryptocurrency, it could be AI, it could be machine learning. Just it just has to be solving a problem in Africa. Okay, as long as your project is solving a problem in Africa, and you have at least one or two female founders, okay, then you are eligible for funding through this platform. Okay, they are going to fund you. Okay, so if you go here, let me open this in a new tab. Okay, so make sure that you have females in your team. If you don't have a female as part of your co-founders, then don't bother to apply for funding through First Check Africa. They are not going to fund you. Okay, because they are trying to promote women in tech. Okay, that is their goal. So it could be like all female founders. That is absolutely fine. Okay, if it is not all female founders, then if it is a male founding team, you must make sure that you include a female as a founder. Okay, so if you look at their portfolio, okay, if you look at this, they invested in Akiba, in Money, in Zoe, in Pivo, Tushop, Health Tracker. Okay, these are the projects that they've already invested into. Okay, so all you just need to do is to make sure that you go through the website, go through their blog content. Okay, that's also important. All right, go through their blog content, and read the criteria for funding. Okay, so they're helping female funders get financial, social, and belief capital to build category defining companies, right? So, and they said that we are agnostic and welcome applications from founders building exciting high growth startups in any industry. Okay, it could be in agri tech industry, in fintech industry, in auto tech industry, just it could be blockchain tech industry, as long as you are building something that is exciting, okay, and is scalable, they are going to fund your project. Okay, so why am I bringing this to the crypto Day channel? Okay, since this channel is about cryptocurrency, is because these guys are agnostic to funding. So it does not really matter what you're doing. Okay, if you have the right track, okay, and your project looks legitimate enough, and you have female in your team, as a founding member of your project, then definitely you should consider pitching your ideas to them. Okay, consider pitching your ideas to them. So look at the blog content. So I would recommend that you read quite a number of this blog content so that you can learn more about how their program works. All right. So now here is it. But before I even go into how you can pitch your ideas to them, I want you to do something again. I want you to subscribe to the channel. There are tons and tons of videos right here that's going to help you to become better in the cryptocurrency and blockchain industry. Okay, so there is a robust playlist here. Check out the playlist and start, taking some of the courses. So I have a course, a free course, on cryptocurrency. It is a beginner's guide. So just scroll in the channel and take that course, okay, in case you are new to cryptocurrency in general. All right, so let me go back to this. We invest in pre-seed, like I said earlier on, pre-seed and seed stage startups. Okay, they are smart guys, they are smart girls in my own perspective, because although the risk is high if you're funding pre-seed and seed stage startups, okay, but the reward could be incredible. Okay, the reward could be massive. So now you want to submit your pitch. If you click on this link, okay, so open a new tab now. Then you are asked to enter a password. Okay, a password is required to submit. Now, the password is not the same as your Airtable account password in case you have an account with Airtable. All right. So what you do is this: in order to get the password to log in and submit your pitch, they don't want every Tom, Dick, and Harry to submit their pitch. Okay, so all you need to do is to create uh, an official email address for your startup. Okay, then use that email address to send them a DM. Okay, send a DM to hello at Africa check at hello at freshcheck.africa. So send email to this address, then you will be able to get a login details, like a password to log into this. So once they give you the login code, then you can apply the code right here, enter it and apply, and pitch your ideas to them. So if they find your idea fascinating enough, they are going to contact you, and the funding process will start. Okay, so if you need funding like $20,000 for your project, like $8,000 for your project, $100,000 for your project, so I think this is the right guys to meet. Okay, just make sure you meet the criteria, because why I'm doing this video is because I noticed that in crypto community, many people don't know how to get funding. Like, a lot of ideas are dying. Okay, I've seen quite a number of ambitious guys have good ideas they want to implement. They are solving real problem in Africa, but they don't know the exact place to turn to in order to get the funds. Okay, so that is why I'm making this video for you. So if you like this video, like it solves some of your challenges with respect to funding, if you like the video, make sure I give you a thumbs up. Okay, if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down and let me know the reason why you don't like it. Okay, so I can stop making videos like this for you. All right, so or probably I can improve on the content delivery and stuff like that. Okay, so if you find it very very helpful, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, I share this video with your team members. You guys should watch the video and share with the rest of your family members, your friends, and social media platforms. Okay, so that's pretty much how to. I'm going to be doing series of these videos if I see that you guys like this video. Okay, this is one of the ways you can get funding for your project if you are an African. Okay, and the good thing is that if they fund your project, they're going to open you up to several other means of funding. Okay, so that's how the network starts. All right, so that's how the network starts. They can introduce you to some other venture capitalists along the way. Okay, so make sure that you take this information seriously, and follow the instructions. So if you have any challenge with respect to everything I've taught you in this video tutorial, you can leave me a comment down below. Okay, or join the Crypto Niche group on Telegram and ask me a question right there. Okay, so have a great day and bye for now.